How to activate Bank of America credit card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate your Bank of America credit card. For this, go ahead and open up any web browser and head over to bankofamerica.com. Once you land on the website, you will first of all have to log into your online banking account. You have this option on the left hand side, login portal. Go ahead and enter your user ID, then enter your password. If you want to save your user ID, check the box. Then click on the login option in order to sign into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on this option of forgot ID/password option. Now you can very easily enter the required information in order to retrieve your user ID or reset your password. So enter your card or account number, then enter your social security number and click on the continue option. Now, once you have been signed into your account, you want to click on the manage account section. Now click on the option of activate your credit card. You will find this under the account services. Now enter the required details such as your credit card number, security code which is your CVV number, and the expiration date. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. You might need to confirm your identity with the additional information as well. Once the process is complete, you should receive a confirmation message indicating your card has been successfully activated. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.